Okay, welcome to Ameria. Okay, dito tayo ngayon sa Agria Land, may Panabo City mga boss. And we are introducing to you ang new project po ng Damosa Land Incorporated dito po sa Panabo City. And dito sa likod ko mga boss, ito yung sample model house unit na Magnolia. Ito isa sa mga pinakamaliit na unit na meron dito sa Ameria. Okay, so meron tayong bagong project na i-launch na same pa rin yung mga model houses na ino-offer ko sa inyo. Actually, itong Ameria project mga boss is paubos na, nasa mga 7 units lang natitira. But don't worry, meron tayong bagong project soon to be launched dito sa Agria Land. Palibot lang dito sa napakagandang Agria Land ng Damosa Land. Abangan nyo mga boss. Okay, so samahan nyo ako, pasokin natin itong sample unit ng Magnolia at tingnan natin kung gaano ba ito kaganda. Tara!
Now I'm miles away. Sometimes I can breathe so effortlessly. You left me with nothing. Someday you took my voice, the power of my melodies. I knew that this was the day. And then you took my phone to say that I'm better off running miles away. Sometimes I feel weak, I can't move my feet. Now I'm miles away. Sometimes I can't breathe so effortlessly. You left me with nothing. Power of my melodies, 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 power of my melodies.
Alright, so yun yung isang project natin dito sa Panabo City, yung Ameria, and soon to be launched. Meron tayong bagong project, same pa rin yung mga model houses na pinapakita dito. Okay, so kung interested kayo dito sa bagong project ng Damosa Land, mag-comment kayo sa baba or message me privately at pag-usapan natin yung pinapangarap mong bahay dito sa Agria Land. Bye!